I know where was her name. That's a very ordinary girl or name, but who's to blame for love that wouldn't bloom, for the hearts that never played in tune, like a lovely melody that everyone can see. Take away the words that rhyme, this doesn't mean a thing. And Aubrey was her name. We treat the light and dance together to the moon, but we was true. No, it never came around. If it did, it never made a sound. Maybe I was absent or was listening too fast, catching all the words, but then the meaning going past. But God, I miss the girl, and I'd go 1,000 times around the world just to be closer to her than to me. I know it was her name. I never knew her, but I love her just the same. I love her name. Wish that I had found a way, and the reasons that would make her stay. I have learned to lead a life apart from all the rest. If I can have the one I want, I'll do without the best. But how I miss the girl, and I'd go 1,000,000 times around the world just to say she had been mine for